Yo, how's it going, guys? Well, on today's video, I'll be overviewing the two trades that I currently sent out to our Pace Perfect Club members, which is GPUSD on shorts and GPUD on longs. GPUD on longs, we should be up right now around 45 pips in profits at the moment. And GPUSD at the moment, we're in a little bit of drawdown, not much, just around 4 pips drawdown. This isn't really nothing. So real quick, the reason why I got in for these trades, if we take a look at the daily on GPUSD, we can see how market here, I mean, we had came in and already created our low of the day, which was this candle right here, this low of the day. Market came right on top of it to clear out that liquidity that we had for market price in this area. On top of that, we also came inside our imbalance zone, which is this big bearish candle. Market came into it, tapped it, and started getting rejected. So that's one of the confirmations on why I decided to get in for a sell. And also on top of that, I mean, market on the pound dollar, we are still going to be bearish because we still have a lot of space in the weekly time frame to come and fill in this imbalance that we had in the past in the weekly time frame, this right here, and potentially take out this equal lows liquidity. So we come down to the forward time frame. On the forward time frame, I could start finding more confirmations. What I see that could be happening right now is that it looks like market just pushing a little bit higher just to come and clear out the liquidity that we had left from this high here. Once that's happening, we should see market on GU start dropping drastically to come and clear out the old low that we have in this area, which is our first take profit. And where our last take profit, we'll have it all the way down here at 246 pips, which is to fill in the weekly imbalance. Now just come into the 1 hour time frame on GU. You can see how market priorly came into this small imbalance area and had got it rejected right there, which is where market's going to be looking to seek out the liquidity at the moment. We got in a little bit early. We were running in profits for a bit. Right now, we are in some drawdown on GPUSD, 12 pips, but we should see market start pushing to the downside pretty soon once clearing out the liquidity inside here, which is also the 15-minute time frame. Because on the 1 hour, we still have a lot of sell side liquidity right in this area, which is the liquidity here, here, and here, which is the lowest I'm looking to be targeting. Now, if we are to hit stop loss, I would just wait, let it play off to see if we could potentially come into this 1 hour conventional price candle that we have up there that hasn't been tested before. Once coming into that area, I would be looking to re-enter once more for some selling positions on GPUSD. And then what we have GPAUD that we're currently running some pretty good profits here. Now, confirmations that I got for this was based from my 4 hour time frame. Market had came into this 4 hour imbalance right here. Pretty simple trade setup that we have. Market came into that 4 hour imbalance, which also came and tested into this 4 hour conventional price candle right there. Where it came, tested it, got rejected, and started going to the upside. Then we have more confirmation in the 1 hour. Since I already know that's a market's going to start shifting to the upside. We have the 1 hour imbalance. Came, filled it in right here. Tested into a conventional price candle. Market gets rejected. Since I had rejection, now what I did was mark my fib from my start of the impulse right here to another impulse right there. We are going to be looking for what levels? In this case, discounted prices, which is going to be the 705 or 79. Market comes right into that 705 level and starts going to the upside. Now, well, the reason I didn't get in here was because I wasn't really looking at the charts around that time. So fortunately, I wasn't able to get in for that long position down there. But I did see that price action form right here in this area. This 4 candles, a bullish reversal pattern. And that's where I decided to get in for a buy, which is stop loss at 42. I'm about to move my stop loss later on. We'll see how this 1 hour closes. Depending how this 1 hour closes, I will be moving my stop to break even. Now on my take profit, I have it based on my daily time frame to come in and clear out the equal highs here on a daily time frame, which is 160 pips overall for GP USD. And those are the only two pairs that I'm looking, which is GU and GA, or shorts on GA and shorts on GU. Right now, GU, we have currently came into that liquidity. So we should start seeing some rejections now to the downside. So that being said, does anyone have any questions? Nope. Alrighty then. Well, with that being said, I'll see you guys on the next session tomorrow for London. Everybody have a great night and happy trading to you all.